Hi, Nehemiah.
Hello everybody, this is Nehemiah Ula here, and today we're doing another Stack Down custom. Today we'll be reviewing Joe Hyken. And good news, fans. This year is my summer vacation, so we might be doing videos for sometimes and making a new custom. So, see you later, everybody.